Want to learn how to change your voice online for any kind of recording? Hang in there and we'll show you just in a second. Hello guys, and welcome to Exquisite Info. So the topic for today is how to change your voice online. So let's get straight down to it without any further ado. So first thing I want you to do is go to Google search and type in Voice Spice, all one word, and I want you to go to this website, voicespice.com. Okay, once you go to the website, you will see a direct land on this page itself where you can start recording. Let's get rid of that. So as you can see, voice record you can do as normal, and you can change the voice to hi, woman, and this, that. So for example, we're going to change the voice to woman, and I'm going to do a little recording. So here it is. It's going to ask you to allow the microphone. You allow the microphone, and from here it's recording away. So hello, hello, hello. And the microphone test we will check in just one moment, and I'll let you listen to it. So I'm just going to put a stop on that. So then that produces. Give me one moment and I'll be right back. Okay. All right, guys. So I've made the voice record. I'm going to let you listen to it now. Here we go.
And from here it's recording away. So hello, hello, hello. And the microphone test we will check in just one moment, and I'll let you listen to it. So I'm just going to.
And of course, as you saw the voice there, recorded away. Now, if we go back to reset of the thing, you can also see other things. So normal, demon, and also there's fun uses, creators, voice tag game, singing and recording, all sorts, vocals, greetings. You could do everything, and then basically what you do, so for example, I've done that recording on it already. If I go to your recordings, this, well, I haven't think, I'm just going to make one now, just make a quick one just to show you how you record it. So create or make a new recording, and just do anyone for now, just to get it going for you, so then you can understand how to finger. So okay, we'll do that. Record 1 2 1 2, recording, testing. So this is just a little test drive for you. So boom, that's done now. Okay, that's moved. We click on save. Once we click on save, okay, we click save there. Okay, we've done that. Now what it does there, from here, look, you got the download link button. You click on that, and as you go down, it gives you the file link on from there as well. Yeah, so as you go down, you've got the links there, but this won't be able to get the download. Sorry, what you need to do to download it, you go here, you go to your recordings, okay, and then you click here, okay, you change the title to whatever you like, and then you see, now you're going to see this little button right here, download. Okay, once I hit that, then it will download that. Okay, that's when it comes into my download folders. Otherwise it won't come into that. So if I go to the thing in my downloads, okay, there it is. You see, so that's what you need for that. So you need to make sure you go to your recordings and then click on the download button here, so you can set it to the way you want. Anyhow, there was the recording. I hope you guys all enjoyed it, and so I'll make another video soon. Right, like always guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe, hit the like, and smash the notification bell, so every time we upload a video like this, you'll be notified straight away. And please do hit the like button, as people that are looking for content just like this, our video will be available for them. Anyhow, Exquisite Info over and out. Thank you so much for watching.